Hi guys, it's Sherry. Hope you're having a great day. Well, I'm back with another tip on how you can make the projects that I'm making with my haul when you don't have the exact same items that I might have hauled. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so as part of my haul crafting, I made these gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous little boxes. And I used some paper that I got from Tuesday Morning that came in a pack of 8.5 by 11, and it was 12 pieces to a pack, had wonderful graphics and sayings on them, and I liked the way all of this was centered, so I wanted to use this element in my crafting. And I took papers like this and turned it into boxes like this. Well, if you don't have those papers, you can still make this type of a project, and here's how we do it. So I have a 12 by 12 sheet that was in one of my paper packs, and most of our paper packs have these large graphic sheets or printed sheets on the inside, and you're not quite sure how should I use that. And I am going to show you how to use this and cut it down so that you have the same type of paper that I used on my project. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my cutter here and I have my 12 by 12 piece of paper. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to reduce this down to 8.5. So I'm going to take it, and the first thing I'll do is remove 1 3/4 from both sides. So when I take my first 1 3/4 off, that's going to take me down to 10 1/4. So I'm going to cut. And then I'll do the same thing over here. I'll turn it. And now I know it needs to be 8.5. Because I'm taking off another 1 3/4. And then I've got this, but I need to reduce this in size. So I am now going to reduce this down to 11. And because it's 12, I'll take 1/2 inch from the top and 1/2 inch from the bottom. Get this right. And I'm going to take this down to 11. And now I'll move my cutter. Going to bring this one back in, and you can see that I've got a piece of paper where my inside is centered, and I can now craft this into a nice, beautiful box lid. So let's do that. Okay, so the first thing that I did to make my lid was I reduced the size of it. Because for this one, I reduced it. I took the 8.5 by 11 inch paper and then cut it down to 7 7/8 by 7 7/8 so that I can make a lid to fit this box. So this one I have it cut down to 8.5 by 8.5, and I've scored it at 1 on all 4 sides. And then I'm going to also score it at 1/4 inch on all 4 sides because I want my lip to fold under so that I have a nice finished look to this beautiful lid. And now I'll fold and burnish on all of my score lines. And then I'll come back with my finger blade, and I'm simply going to remove my 3 corner pieces from all 4 sides. So I will come down here, and then I'm going to angle cut in here, remove that piece, and remove this piece. And then I will just angle cut this. And I'm going to do this on the other sides, and I'll be right back. Okay, so all of my tabs have been cut out, and we're going to go ahead and just put this box together. So I am going to place glue on my tabs. And then I'll put my beautiful lid together. Same thing over here. Step down. All right, so now I am going to place glue along these little thin strip tabs here and fold them in. And bring in my bone folder to get them nice and stuck. Got everything folded down, and we've got a beautiful, beautiful lid that says love. And that's all you do to take one of your 12 by 12 pieces of paper, trim it down to fit the size that you need it to be, even on all four sides, and then turn it into a beautiful box lid, just like the one that I did on this project. It is not hard at all, very easy to do, and you don't necessarily need the papers that I hauled. You've got those large 12 by 12 paper pads in front of you, and most of them, there are sheets that have this large center print on it or words. So I hope this has been helpful. Y'all have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.